All right, everyone, welcome back to the Man and Bibs channel. Today, we're going to be installing the fuel cell. I'm going to show you what we got going on here and how we got it done. All right. So this is an eBay fuel cell. It is I think 15 gallon. Can't remember. Yeah, it's 16 and let's see, what is that? That's let's see, half. It's 3/8. I'm sorry, my eyes are just terrible. Anyways, and by I think it's 17 and some change. Nope, it's perfectly square. It's 16 and a half that way, and 16. Oh, it's 16 and a half by 16 and a half by 9 inches tall. So it fits perfectly inside of the spare tire mount. Now, some guys I have seen cut this out and then run a bar from frame rail to frame rail and mount on the tabs on the bar. I chose to just run it through this, put some spacers in between it down here, and then I trimmed out the back of the spare tire floor pan. That way the lines can make a 90 up through there. So, but now we're going to get her buttoned down and tight. That way it can't go anywhere. And we'll set up the time lapse for that.
Sound strap. Sound strap.
As you guys can see, this is the hole I had to trim. That way I could get the fuel flow tank, basically, out the bottom. And then I've got it cut enough for where I can make a 90 up in here with my two hoses. But I just ran it through that. I might put a little bit bigger washer on these. I don't know. But one of the things I ran into is that the strap for the original gas tank mount is still there. So what I had to do back there, let me zoom in. What I had to do back there is I had to trim it off. So it came right off. It's just spot welded on. It's not bad. So we're going to do this one, and then that way we can have all 4 bolts in this thing. But overall, the car under its side, I mean, it's sat on the ground for a long time, but it's not that bad. Everything's pretty much a little bit of surface rust. So yeah, I mean, the torque boxes are in pretty good shape, and yeah, we're gonna clean it up and paint it and get it ready. So we will see. I'm trying not to turn this thing, but I do it every time. But yeah, looks good. Oh, I got it all down in there and bolted up. Got washers and spacers underneath it, and it's real safe. I mean, solid for the most part. Yeah, we'll see how we go. If you notice, I took the dash back off from where I had it the other day and remocked it up. But I have the driver's side done and where it needs to be. Now I'm gonna have to redo this side over here. I just didn't like the way it wasn't level, so I leveled it up and got it going. So we'll get that finished up in another video as well. But we're making progress, guys. And then I've got to buy another K member back to run the motor that I want to run. I sold mine that was LS K member, so yeah. So now we're on the way back to putting the K member and everything back in it and get it going. And I'll have the lower radiator support welded on. My welder was not doing good and not cooperating with me. And good Lord Jesus, what is that? But it's gonna hold it on. Now I'm gonna actually grind that off and redo that, because the welder I was using was just not getting enough penetration and heat and everything. So here we go. Well, it's coming along, guys. I'm looking forward to making a hit midsummer of next year with this thing. So that's everything on the channel for today. We got the fuel cell bolted up. Got the area cleaned up back there a good bit. And then, you know, this week, hopefully I'm looking to buy a K member. I got a guy that's got one in Salem, South Carolina. It's just a long drive, so I'm gonna try and make it some point this week, and then we'll get this thing bolted up, and then hopefully have a motor in this thing pretty quickly here. That way we can start wiring it and doing all the other stuff that needs done. Yeah, so, you know, look forward to more videos. We're gonna keep trying to crank this thing out. Like I said, we're in the process of moving and everything else, so you know, it may be a little difficult at times, but I'm gonna try to keep videos coming out every week, and you know, keep building this channel, and you know, building it for a good cause. So you know, we're gonna do the best we can to go out and make a difference. So all right, guys, that's it for today. Y'all be safe, have fun, and you know, turn some wrenches. All right, we'll see y'all later.